training, and wherever we hear, training plays very vital role. Training means what? Knowledge required minus knowledge having is equal to a gap, that is called training. Since I am talking on organized sector and more focusing on the security and facility company, housekeeping company, therefore, what is the impact of training in these industries? I thought to share with you. Very small thing, they come a poor personality. You have to train them. You have to tell what is the personality required. In the Private Security Guard Board Act 1981, it is said under section 23, it is said that you should be neat and clean, you should be shaved, you should have the very clear eye vision, you should not chew the sukha, you should not drink, you should have this kind of the dress, and this should be your total drill. And few security companies, they have made the checklist of the drill and pasted at the place of supervisor, and they have been asked to give training to the security personnel, housekeeping people, facility people. But rigorously people do it. It is important that every day they should be told about the gap in their personality. Gap in their personality means दाढ़ी क्यों नहीं बनी है. So lot of myths are there. They say that sir आज तो बृहस्पतिवार है, सर आज तो मंगलवार है. You have to tell in the training very religiously that each day is equal with the equal importance. Nothing is like this that you save this day and don't save Thursday and Tuesday and Sunday or whatever. You have to tell the importance. Don't force them. During training, you give them full importance that what will happen if you are with a good drill, with a good looking. Client will be happy to see you, and then he can interpret that if you are happy and delighted, then you can give the good duty. Nails आपके बढ़े हुए हैं. You have to tell the importance. Training means not only orate something which becomes the pressure on the people. I don't feel this is the meaning of the training. Training means is that what you are doing, and if you do this way, then how it will impact, and then let him take the decision. Belt is not proper, attires are not proper. So what to do? First, put all these things at the right place on your body. Give 15 minutes time before they take over the duty or hand over and take over the duty, and in that 15 minutes go for the small physical rehearsal also, PT parade, so their body is warmed up, so they will not be a loose body, they will not be casual in approach, you will find the alertness. Other important thing is that very small, very poor, but I am thinking to share. They are in habit to take the sukha, pan masala and all this. Don't say that stop it, but tell them the drawbacks, demerits of sukha, what they are taking, how they will impact negatively on their health. That is not the food for them. These are the things have negative impact always and put the life in the danger position. They have another setback. They will never wear shoe, though they have been assigned, given. They will come with the pretend, सर ये तो काटता है, सर ये तो चुभता है. But if you tell them that boss, you are the nose of the organization and this way your drill and attire should be, then only you are sellable product and client will accept you. You don't come on duty as an individual Mr. XYZ. You come on duty as you are a person going to protect the life. You are going to protect the man, material, machine and capitals of the client. So you are not a watchman that simply standing and having disappointment that अरे यार हम तो वॉचमैन ही हैं, हम तो हाउस कीपर ही हैं, अभी तो बड़े बड़े साहब लोग आएंगे. नो, इफ़ यू डोंट कम देन साहब लोग भी आकर के भी कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि पोछा नहीं मार पाएंगे, क्योंकि वो जो है क्लीन नहीं करेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि वो जो है सिक्योरिटी का काम नहीं कर सकते हैं. So your importance, your existence is very important from so many others angle. Don't humiliate yourself. Motivate. Nature has not made everything equal. Example, your fingers. 5 fingers are also not equal. Some are bigger, some are biggest, and some are smallest. Why? Why God made like this? It gives the lesson to the people like us also that in this creation, in this universe, different kind and level of people are available. Rich people, poor people, good people, bad people, security man, watchman, lieutenant, general, colonel, major, they also come under the same segments, but holding the very high position, very big authority, responsibility. So they are at their places, you are at your places. Every one of us has to discharge our duty and responsibility with full care and attention, without any humiliation, without any insult, and without any degrading himself or herself. And thus from the small contribution of the watchman and housekeeping people. Company works throughout day and night, and if their contribution is ignored, then it becomes very difficult to manage the workplace, residence, and wherever you go in a mall, you go in a marketplace. If housekeeping people have not cleaned the things, you will not enter into it. So give a thought on this also, and my appeal from this video will be that they also should be respected. They should also be seen with the eye of respect, and they should not be exploited. Organizations should give benefit to them as per the law, and going over and above to the law also, because it's a human being. They are the part of your profit also. Thank you very much in this video.